y'all? Welcome back to another vlog. As y'all know, yesterday my car, like 2 days ago, my car engine started smoking. Ain't no none of the mechanics I use. How about mechanic or uncle? I pick it up. So, I didn't start my car up yesterday, and I don't know if it's gonna start today. It should though. So let's just I need to let it run because I didn't start it in 4 days. I don't want to make whatever wrong with it worse. Cause it's probably something minor on that happened, and then I don't start it up. Now I gotta get a whole battery and whoop. So I'm gonna start it up. I also gotta upload the other vlog. Like I said, y'all didn't help me get to my goal, 500 subs for my birthday. If not, 500 subs before the end of July. Let's get it. Starts up perfectly fine. It's not even smoking right now. Like, when I cut it off the day it started to smoke, let me remove this. I gotta move it though because I can't get in the car because to me pop the hood if I can see. Because, like, it starts up with no problem. Like, no smoking, and it's quieter than what it usually be. I don't know. I don't know if I got allergies or something, bro. Every time I go around them exact plants, I always sneeze. And it's been like that ever since I lived here, bro. But, I don't know, bro. I'm gonna have to get somebody to come check it. My car is getting fixed today. I don't want to hear nothing. My car getting fixed today. Let's go. I just went to one auto body shop. He said I got to schedule a time to come in. He's like, the next opening we got is Monday. I'm not finna wait that long to come get my car fixed, man. It's not even to get my car fixed. I'm scheduling a time for them to check and see what's wrong with it. Why would I wait till Monday to do that? I might fill up on $29.95 again. That's the normal number. But yeah, bro. I'm getting my car fixed today. I'm filled up on $26.41. Right, so my car running hot. My dad said it's probably the thermostat or the radiator. So I'm taking it to this other shop right now, and then I'm gonna see if they can help me out with it. Let's go. I gotta pay $100 for them to diagnose my car. He said the $100 can go towards whatever, I gotta get fixed. It's I just feel like a slip for my thing. I'm just hoping it ain't gonna be too much, you feel me? That's all I'm hoping. I'm hoping it's not nothing too, like, real serious. If some dude that was sitting over here, and even my dad, it was like, it's like, I probably need a new thermostat, or I need my radiator flushed. So I'm like, I can deal with that. But if I guarantee they're gonna come out and say some other stuff. I just know they're gonna come out and say some other stuff. But let's get it, man.
Epidemiologists are telling me that our spread is most closely linked to the reopening of Arizona.
Walking home now. They said it was gonna be a 2-hour wait. I don't know, bros. He showed me the pipe and everything. He showed me what was going on. It's a 2-hour wait. My brother at home, my dad at home. So I'm like, right now it's 12:37. 2 hours, probably like 2 o'clock. So I'm probably gonna go back up there around, either I'm gonna get a ride up there, or I'm gonna walk back up there around 1:30. Yeah, I know how it is. So, yeah, that's the move. Like I said yesterday in the last vlog, I told y'all the next vlog title was gonna be I got my car fixed. I got my car fixed. Come on now, don't play with that. Now I got to fix. I don't know what I'm gonna do today. Still got money in my account, so I can go spend some money. But I'm probably gonna say that I might just go buy. Actually, I don't know. I'm gonna try. My limit for today, in my eyes right now, is any of the cash that I got. Well, let's not say any and all, but some of the cash, maybe $50. That's my limit for today. $50. So I can only spend $50 today. Y'all hold me today. So after I get my car fixed, my car is getting fixed. There go my brother right there. So look, y'all, it's currently 2:13. I'm not gonna put the other clip on actually, I'm gonna put it in here. It don't matter. But I paid $190 to get it fixed. I gotta go back up there. It started getting fixed at like 12. And it said approximately 2 hours. It's 2:13. I might go back up there around like 2:30. But I got 3 hot dogs, a pizza, and a smart water. I'm trying to get intelligent out here. My brother's going back and bought 2 burgers. Let me get one. Let me get one. Oh, nigga, you got hella food. What the fuck? That motherfucking hot dog smell beautiful. I ain't gonna lie. I trust you one of them burgers, though. I don't want that nasty ass hot dog. Bro, I'm vlogging.
Vlogging you eating? And why are you vlogging in my car? It's my car, motherfucker. I can say whatever the fuck I want.
All right now. We'll probably get on your case.
Fuck wrong with you? I ain't man. You motherfuckers.
Come here. Give me.
Get your bum ass out my face.
Yeah, so we're gonna be heading back up there. We're gonna see what my car done. Did the job text you and tell you that your test came back positive?
No, motherfucker.
I don't believe that. I'm just gonna stay over here. Barbara, when you drive, lean that way.
Nigga, you can get the fuck out.
No, I'm gonna wait till your tank go back down to half so I can get my $10 worth. That's me bugging. Hey, that's me bugging. All right, y'all. I'm gonna see y'all when we make it there. Let's go. All right, y'all. So my car is fixed. Why my armpit look yellow? All right, so my car fixed. Yeah. I gotta stop at the crib and I gotta go over by my homie Travell house. And then I'm going to the mall. So, you know. All right, y'all. So I'm finna run up to this little shoe store and grab me some kicks. And then me and my brother, we going to a drive-in today. I already found somebody to go with. He just gotta find somebody to go with. And then I'm gonna take my car. He said we're gonna take separate cars though. So I guess that's the move. So yeah, I'm gonna run into this store real quick and grab me some kicks or something, something nice. Something not too expensive, I got enough forces. I probably could throw the forces on like with this fit, got on the white tee off the black and green jeans, but y'all know how that goes. So we'll figure something out. But see when I get there, we go. Actually, wait, we might come out. I might use my camera for the rest of the day. Let's get it. Kind of boring. I'm by myself on top of my car. That's the move. Gonna get back to it. Didn't end yesterday's vlog, so I'm gonna end that, and I still gotta. Oh my god, there's gonna be so many missed clips in this vlog because my camera dead, and I don't feel like. Actually, I'm gonna just grab my other iPhone and airdrop the rest of the footage. But I'm gonna end this vlog right now. I'm gonna start my other vlog. Let's get it.